Let's discuss replacing the intake air temperature, or the IAT sensor, on this Dodge Durango with a 4.7 liter engine. Now, the engine control module is going to use this to monitor the temperature inside the intake manifold and use that in the fuel calculations. So I've already just disconnected the throttle position sensor as well as the idle air control valve, just so I can see what we're doing here. I'm going to pinch the connector here gently and set it off to the side for our intake air temp sensor. Now we're over on the driver's side of the intake manifold, and I'm just going to give this a quarter turn and rock it back and forth and pop it up out of the hole here. Now you can see this one's kind of contaminated with a little bit of oil, and you can see why the reading may have been skewed a little bit. So we'll take our new one and put it in the same location, give it the quarter turn, make sure it's in there properly, and now I just go back, make my electrical connection. I'll plug in my IAC and the throttle position sensor, and just like that, we've just replaced the intake air temp sensor.